magnificent pieces of architecture, blah, 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 of all time, blah, blah. And he said he also donated $2 million to the reconstruction of the cathedral, saying that, Ghana planned to build their own massive national cathedral. And if they were planning to build theirs and there was another burning down, then they couldn't sit aside and let that one burn down. They had to support it. I've told you guys, Akufo-Addo is a Mason. I'm sure if I looked into Alpha Conde, the president of Guinea's story, I'd find out he's a Mason. This was a ritual.
Madibe mi akpona le mi abe politician wo afi mi akoje edogo me mi akpobere mi ano avuoji de wota abiale mi sebe boot to boot abiale mi sebe all die be die ele go me sinama aya madibe mi akpo mi atowe mi abu politician we dem le globe o le mi afuru menye gbo mi abu politician we dem o le mi afuru menye gbo me o se be po video yi me ko dem vai me o se be se Mugabe penu popo elego me sinama mi abu West Africa mi abu Christian Africa side there e wa be mi ma dibe mi abutamu e wona ma belo no itamale gbo anya be never kpo Morocco fifi line wa kpo bo Morocco konkume na ide Egypt fifi line wa kpo be Egypt konkume e ide Tunisia fifi line wa kpo be Tunisia konkume na ide Libya gble fifi la kula chen Libya konkume u Ghana ne ma blewo. Look at the level, we are all on the same planet. The planet the kaji. Libya jami kukumanye do. Wa imele nu populo fifi line. Am yo gbo le am yo kule le Ghana fifi line oja fifafa. Mi atowe. If we cannot refine the oil in Ghana, let us not even venture at all. Let it be there. Nemiabo generation wore nova hodomi wonani mi atowe miabo politician wore ole fufiare nyatefia de kai aglo pe me bale monji enye me vote na NPP boni o vale wo me vote na we hadeba ideology yo le wosita me vote na we hadeba ku 4 time dey hipiki mi me gbovare e galede de kede e pede Ghana ho nyeche me benefit leme ku fo yi ya ovako health insurance cover enye me benefit leme e wo che ne benefit leme wo mate wa china bo me benefit leme komi abiawe ma dibe mi aga ponare infonese penya yo glore be mi boycott election day na mi mate wa boycott election wo day ma dibe mi a vote na NDC na enye bia
lifestyle of the individuals who engage in public office. How is it that in Africa, when an individual whom we knew to be a pauper is appointed as a public official, whom we knew to be a pauper is elected, permit me and forgive me at once, members of Senate and members of the House of Representatives, that no sooner have you set foot in the Senate or the House of Representatives than you become a millionaire and you begin to live as if money was not a problem. If it was so easy, why aren't all of us so rich? The privatization of public wealth without consequence is something that we must frown upon. And that is why lifestyle audits are important, and I urge you to enact legislation that will require Nigerians that before you build a house as a public servant, you must show us the source of your funds.
menyanu jamele glo ma de go me na ofufula miato we miato Akufo-Addo president iles jide ma china we menyemele sho be akplo mi nya ide dude kemo ma kpo ba o mi ale gboglo be ele koyo ne ebe ma we tie na mi ma de kuku na ma wo de keme tie na mi o ele go me sina ma gblo nya de ko de me ma be mi abo politician we na mi ma wo national coalition alo mi ma boycott o de mi ko na ndi sitawe. The first option is national coalition. Let your platform jide. The first option is national coalition. The second option is boycott. The third option le vedome, le voter region there. Gbome le na we be de. Jabe mi ko na NDC. Hadebe me pobo ma ko mi akọ ingogbo. No blogger me de jira na me gbetore. No jira me do jira na me gbetore. E galeji yi va sedegbe. Mi atowe. Mi abo nku bia. E mo yo Jerry John Rawlings va wole voter region gble. Had they fake politics da. Had they 10% da. E mo yo va wode gble. Hospital or you over bukla chain. Then you ma ka hacho ide. All lack facilities. They need to be modernized. From the day Jerry John Rawlings va institute Numawere, there is no renovation. I'm only report now, me report to say, me that's the numero. Miatawe, Melania Blo Hadebenuka. How on earth Onyebe, a slave, would donate $2 million to his slave masters? How leke ole be ewo yiji fiafito va fi o dokpe we no wewe o fi obo sikawe galemia fi va se degbe e gademia bu gagana money our head and money call France na be no buy to ho miato we miabu nkubia. This is what we call order be die machina we ele kuku hadebe o mepo vungu o meta. When it is time, we did not put the necessary gadget in place so that the corruption will stop. The number one corrupted people, when you have politicians, the last option. And the voter region, if you open up, you go better than Nyame call a fefekura. Miatowe. Nyame dibe ma on politics, but I am 100% disappointed. No nukuwe me sebe. Ghana town de $2 million. Be ya kodo da France. Ne wa tu soli me ho gbagba mi fe ya fito po homa. Miatowe. E homa mere. Ni yo mi se research yo mi sebe. E jolly homa mere. It's almost the same like the statue of Gandhi in the University of Ghana. E ya meleblo. Wo susume then I say you bro me you the politics war, but I'm telling you the factual facts. Me atowe $2 million. Ya call it doda. Okwa doda o me kwa doda nyeme ponya ya. Me atowe ya call it doda be no ko to so me ho. Hadebe Ghana had wanted to build criteria. They me sebe, they mi sebe, wobe. Ele go me say them de wobe e guy obe wa ko to kachi dale e gade do over do in the US nyatepe yo ahacho nyamenya nyato e nyade glomele na we do over do ga do over he na we do over we na we do chewe menya. For Ghana, ne got $2 million last year. Ne over all the US. Have you done the $2 million called that? France. Benu kotu. Meanwhile, mele chichina webe. Emoji me nyo yata mi le accident o ho. Emoji de ya me nyo yata mi le accident o ho. Mi atowe, mi abo nkwe bia. Malekblo, the number one option. Anye National Coalition. Duncan William Glo. Number 2. Anye me boycotting, me make a vote. Don't go and step out to vote. Don't do any vote a boot to boot. Don't do any order be die. There is nothing there for you to die. I'm your only kumeni do. Vonyatepe machina we. My brother, in your previous video, maybe the British delegate who came to Ghana to negotiate, to sign all the documents between Ghana and Britain. Nchuode hotel yimnyeme no do de ya vano. Ncho chinam happy wa jode chinamere. Efonye. Yinam 3 years. If the resources can be shared equally in Ghana, he is giving me 3 years. If it toma mere, yon pode do wato. Vonyenye amelegbeji. Mi atowe. Mi lengo gbede Ghana government dem de 2 million. Pepe dem ka tututu Ghana ho. From America, from Britain, from France. What was the help? Hey, Akufo-Addo Vazikpeji, the Ovaglobe, Ghana is old enough to be of her own. Ghana is not supposed to hold up in hand and be begging all around. How come you got money? Where did Ghanaians are suffering? Ghana tola FIFA factory omeleo emomenyon akadile chichi zakwekali eton de $2 million. Pour le dodo dabe il domenyo wo. Ma bia se lo tagbole mea. Let me tell you something. I have cast British that I worked for. Me wodona British 50-50 etonye Ghana to enonye Britain. Hemele do one de. Evivine edoso une. Enya yo blona menye bede. Mako message kode no me. Ebede. Your children will serve my children like the way you serve me faithfully. That is an insult. That is a painful statement. That statement to me, I prefer Madasi Bema. Voneme be ma khene jogbe vo papaji because ejugbe ya onye. Be ya te chinambe the way you serve me, my children will grow up to serve his children. That is wicked. That is how all the world is looking at Ghana. Ghana is becoming prostitute. If you go countries that other African countries rejected, Ghana is welcoming those countries because of politics. For example, Israel. You know never check Google that. But Israel, they call it Africa towe. Israel, they call it Africa towe. Me who de Ghana do come, me who France de Ghana do come, me who Britain and Ghana do come, me who America de Ghana do come. What a prostitution country are we? Can we be of a value? We sold all our dignity, we sold all our sovereignty to foreigners. Ya ucho imagine we no be wa figana nyo they privatize the organization. Our shoe factory is dying, yet you are able to raise $2 million to give to a foreigner. Our shoe factory that will produce shoe for our army officers to use, for our police service to use, for our security service to use, is dying. Yet you are able to raise $2 million to give to a foreigner. I want MPP to be voted out. We need to dissolve this partisan in Africa. Let me say no the car. Even though Libya is still fighting now, Libya is far better than Ghana. Economical way. Even though there's no stability. Factory me le duomo. Ame siame la vifade factory ta. Et on de gaya to because il a me check. Me atawe, me na me bu me afo susu me. Ye me va politics, me va politics, but I am disappointed. Ale go me serama. No finye, nu me diba na ka ponye bere. Miabo Ghana Telecom de finole. Miabo Ghana Airways de finole. Automobile factories yo le miasi de finole. Miabo sugar factory de finole. Kwame Nkrumah peto yo peto wo glo vete. Now in Ghana, ne NDC legisla, etibe ya wu NPP. Ne NPP legisla, etibe for me out the we are all blacks. Yata me no bro, you vo me vana Africa be you ava on na mi o. No va te pe wa le ya wa black wa gbata de kana mi de ya no. Ya mi gbe we don't have any national agenda. Ya kuna me ava privatized institution. I mean, have a privatized institution. Me atowe. O privatized institution cap fifi line. I'm a dead block. My call video call them Kenya yon vie. Ebe, I'm eva fitogbe way. How best? I don't like to na to what. Akwama ami ejise. Be never do abuna no way. I'm eva utogbe way. Fiosi kako join. Leke na to wa hojise. Achine be never do abuna togbe way. Abuiko aduna togbe way.
Look at time to talk about this, and then our kids talk about it, and then our grandkids talk about it. We are running out of time. Do for self. Work on your brainwashing. How can you trust the man that raped your grandmother to come and inject your children? It's madness. We are under some kind of psychosis. We are literally mad because we are out of our minds. Literally,
we are. Yeah, and it's the
that we are not children of a lesser God. I'm saying that there is a tide in the affairs of man which taken on a grace leads to great fortunes. But if you miss them, it leads to great miseries.
Mi na mi chagana kpetoko na mi deboard amada e ya man of blog besi agbe mi deboard amada na bia mi blanyo de e chi ma to e ale ke mi awe nyeme nyale ma gblo ale ke mi awe ya mi ayi ngogbe ko mi nyane mi awe because we don't have national agenda ya ta ole mi afile ile gbogbo ya te pia de kai ma gblo e fi ya wa sele ma gblo this is all that be die ole mi awuda ya me ole nya wuda ya me ame a chobe boot to boot na va boot to boot na meka boot to boot no ga ba jira wonu wa mi atowe the best option nyeme so be mi atowa wa ya nyebe mi ajo mi awo national coalition na mi ma wo national coalition mi boycott na mi ma boycott ode ele voter regi I am encouraging you to vote for NDC na te fe ma gbole machinawe ngogbiere e ya dibe meledi dibe mi ai biase factory yo pete me yo de kemele voter region factory yo me yo de kemele voter region ne le London et le Britain le nyo video pore nyabe nyo nku e bia ya mele nu podo dawe hiato pe hiato ya menye aya me proper no globe hongodu de katete mela sinyo ya mele nu poklewe e hongonu de camera sinyo ya ta me glova be kiosk me ya mele ya fa mele nu poklewe are we moving forward mi adenye gba lolon ade lolon kamile de fie ami enye ma ole kuku te pe yo la mi ekulere ami ho ja fifa favo what was the percentage mi atowe nye ma ponubo me gbele wo ga me fide me de kuku na wo no moji na nya de la siode na manya subscribe na ngode comment ete very disappointed organization we have our politics in Africa no a friend told me Africa does not supposed to exist yes me number one me call Christianity call blame me adokyo me e ya number one source Kennedy Ajapo Blonjo. If the churches we have in the country could convert into factories, oh my God. Like Jehovah will not, people will stop disturbing Jehovah. People will stop disturbing Jehovah or Jesus they call him. People will stop disturbing him. Yami le fmal avifa sakle keni. Mi atawe, mi na me bunku, me bien keke pe jogbenyo na we. Ma video ne ho chene boy. I am encouraging you nyema to menye vonesi menyo. For I encourage if you cannot do the national coalition, let's boycott the election. If not, let's vote for NDC. Magbule efiya magbule ya wasele me bien keke pe jogbenyo na we mi anodu.